Today we're checking out the 2026 Jeep Wrangler Whitecap, one of the cleanest and most eye-catching Wrangler editions you can get this year. This one is sitting right here in the showroom, and I'll walk you through what makes it special. Right away, the Whitecap edition stands out, with its crisp, white exterior paired with a contrasting hardtop, giving it a premium, coastal-inspired look. You still get the iconic 7-slot grille, round headlights, and that unmistakable Wrangler stance. The wheels, black accents, and aggressive tires give it a rugged feel, while still looking refined enough for daily driving. Inside, the Wrangler Whitecap keeps things modern and functional. You've got a clean dashboard layout, durable materials, and a large infotainment screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Everything feels solid, simple, and built for both adventure and comfort. Under the hood, the 2026 Wrangler continues Jeep's tradition of capability. Whether you're choosing it for city driving, road trips, or off-road trails, this Wrangler delivers strong performance, solid ground clearance, and legendary 4x4 capability. The Whitecap edition is perfect if you want a Wrangler that looks bold, feels premium, and still stays true to Jeep's off-road DNA. If you enjoyed this quick look at the 2026 Jeep Wrangler Whitecap, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.